November 6th, I believe, 2018. Listening to Jackie Brenston, Rocket 88, playing on my YouTube channel. And I'm working on the 1964 Lincoln Continental. I should not have to be doing this job, but the engine rebuilder, they also used to pull the engine out and put it back in, even at a lesser price than down here in Stanford. That's why I went up to Beacon Falls, but they leave much to be desired on the exhaust manifolds. They didn't put a gasket. They should have put a new hardware kit because it was not installed properly. The hardware was mix and match. I got proper hardware kit, everything all brand new, even brand new castings. Made in America. Here's one of them right here. I already Loctited the studs down in there. And the driver's side is ready for it. And it says to use graphite grease. I don't have graphite grease, but it's best to do it dry if you can, I would imagine, right? So I'm going to do it dry. If not, I got a little bit of RTV for exhaust. I think it's the red. It's not the copper. I got the red. It's like the second best. I think the copper is supposed to be the best. But, actually, let me leave them on. These stay on. They'll protect this as I feed it down. Protect the threads, you know. Anyway, coming to you on my helmet cam right now. So this will have to be uploaded. Oh, please, man.
You can duplicate. And really what they're doing is selling a pipe dream.
Yeah, you selling a pipe dream too, pal. Oh, yeah! Strangle Ted Nugent! Alright, hold on, Ted. Hold on, we got Ted Nugent on deck. Oh, man. Here's the Linky. There's maybe 10,000 miles on this motor. This car has not been being driven. It's been mostly sitting. You know, I only take it out a couple of times a year. Alright? It needs 100 octane fuel. It doesn't need lead anymore. But I still put it because that's the best way and the cheapest way to get the octane I need to run this motor. It has hardened steel triple angle seat valves. Now, before, the reason why the lead was in the fuel was because they had soft valve seats, and lead lubricated the valve seats. Alright, if you got soft valve seats and you're not putting lead, I don't know about the lead substitute. Every once in a while when you can't get the real lead, you can maybe use that. I would not use that all the time. You got to buy either VP or Sunoco race fuel, see? To get it. Anyway, I do everything I can. Keep up with maintenance, but Jesus, I'm changing the oil like every 2 years, once every 2 years or so, because I know I'm not clocking no miles. The car sits. It goes like a mile up the road or so to Burger King every once in a while, that's it. Or it might go, 10 miles to Norwalk and back. So 20-mile round trip, or my mother's, 25, 30 miles, whatever. But, the biggest trip it ever goes on is a 30-mile round trip, Or if I take it for fuel, I gotta go to Fairfield. So, it's, a little more than that, even. It's 20 miles each way. Anyway, no, excuse me. It's not. It's 14 miles each way, that one is. So it's 28-mile round trip. Believe me, I keep track because it's not. It stopped. I don't know, a little over 1,500 miles ago. It stopped calculating my odometer, but the speedo still works. That's something else I got to work on. But more this had to be done. Had to be done. Was leaking. The car was not running right. Kept stalling. I can't have that shit. Anyway, we're fixing her up right now. Anyway, September 6, 2018. Brand new castings for the Lincoln. 1964 Lincoln Continental. It's pretty much as original as you can get. Alright, all original 3 major castings, and I still have all the original brake drums that this car had on it when it was in the showroom. Alright, that's how original this Lincoln is. It's straight as a razor blade, this car. I painted it right in here. Right where it sits, that's where I painted it. Anyway. Alright, I gotta get back to working on my car and listening to the news.